Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, September the 22nd, 2023, almost weekend, and I've already solved one puzzle, the medium Sudoku. So now it's time for the second regular puzzle. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 4 of those puzzles, 4 out of 7, I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier about the war in Ukraine. Who has the who has more money, Ukraine or Russia? Well, the one who has more money will win the war, because if you have money, then you can buy rockets or munitions. So yeah, it's about in the world, it's all about money. All right, second regular puzzle. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 71401. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. Should be the easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one is has 20. So I think it's a 2 stars, maybe a 2 stars, maybe a 1 star. We don't know. We'll see. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. By the way, this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 by 11 jigsaw Sudoku. Alright, first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here 1, here 1, and there 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Let me see. Are there any triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. Insufficient information right now. Okay. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the L shape. We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. Alright, we have an L shape here. Rotate it. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? Here, another one. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, more? No, only a 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No. Only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. All right. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one, I believe. No, here we have another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes surround 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Then let me see, this box can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Well. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. This box can be a 2, and this box can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. This box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. This box cannot be a 3 or a 5. We have a double 3 there, double 5 there, so no 3 and a 5 there. But also that box cannot be a 3 or a 5. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this W area shape should be the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Yeah, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then this box can be a 2 or a 4. We have a double 2 there, double 4 there, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that in these 2 boxes can be a 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Okay. Let me see. Well, this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 5, so 2 numbers left. 3 and the 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box, should be so 3 and 4, but we already have a 3 here in the same area. So it can't be 4 anymore. Should be a 3. No. Should be a 4. Can it be a 3? Should be a 4. Alright. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. Is connected also with that box, should be also 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 2. Let me mark those 3 and 2, 3 and the 2. And this one is connected with that box, should be also 2 and the 3. This box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 and 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1. In this quarter box, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this corner box for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Okay, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes with 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. Not faster. Let me give this a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening. Yeah, 4 puzzles left in the additional. Until then, have a great and fantastic Friday. See you later. Bye-bye for now.